On the top of your Yealink T54W is your phone display. You will see the phone status bar, where you will see info with what has happened with your phone, including the time and date. If you would like to place your calls on speaker, you would just select the speaker button. If you're using a headset, you would select the headset button. If you're on an active call and you need to use the mute button, you would press that. When using the mute button, you can hear the caller, but they cannot hear you. When you are on an active call, you can use that volume button to turn the audio up or down. If you are not on an active call, you can press the volume button to display how you would like the phone to ring, louder or softer. When receiving an incoming call, this will display on your phone. You can either answer it by speakerphone, headset, or you can pick up the physical phone. While on an active call, if you happen to get a second call, that will display on the screen, and you can answer that by clicking the answer button. That will automatically put your first call on hold. Once you are completed with the call that you are on, you would just click the speaker button or the headset, and it will disconnect the call that you're on, and the remaining call will stay on hold until you resume that call. When on an active call, you have the option to put the call in park. This puts the call into a position where anyone from your site can access. To place the call in park, press the More key and click the Park button. Follow the system instructions to put that call in park. To retrieve a parked call, either pick up the phone or press the speaker button and click the Retrieve button and press the system options to retrieve that call. The Do Not Disturb feature can be enabled and disabled simply by pressing the DND button. When turned on, all incoming calls will go straight to voicemail. However, you can still make outgoing calls as normal. When you're on an active call, you may need to transfer that call. There are two different types of transferring, direct and announced. A direct transfer is also known as a blind or cold transfer because it sends the call over immediately with no intro. An announced transfer gives you the opportunity to talk to the receiving end before transferring the call. To perform a direct transfer, start by pressing the transfer button. This will put the caller on hold while you input the phone number or an extension. Once you have entered in the phone number, click Transfer. To perform an announced transfer, press Transfer, then dial the receiving number and wait for that third party to answer. Once they are ready to take the call, and they can take the call, press the transfer button. While on an active call, you have the option to conference in another one. You simply press the conference button. When that third party is available to conference in the call, you simply press the conference button. Now everybody is on that call. To end the call, simply hang up by the choice, speaker, headset, or physically hang up the phone. To access your directory, hit the menu soft key or the more soft key and click Contacts. This is how you can add new entries to your phone and edit existing contacts. If voicemail has been configured onto your account and you have a message, it will be indicated at the top of your display and your phone will blink. If you have a voicemail, log into your voicemail by checking the voicemail box button. Follow the prompts on the phone to access your voicemail. You can access this by pressing that button. To log in to check your messages, change greetings, and overall manage your voicemail, press the message button on your phone. This will access the voicemail system.